Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure.
Today we'll be talking about acupressure points for vitamin B12 deficiency. Before that, let us know about what is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is a water soluble vitamin which has many essential functions in our body. Vitamin B12 is necessary for keeping our nerves healthy and supporting the production of DNA and red blood cells, as well as it helps to maintain normal brain functions. So now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. And over here, you can see this is my Instagram page. You can also go and follow this page. On this page, we post many acupressure related posts. Do check it out. So today we'll be discussing a single acupressure point. Our acupressure point is on the back side of our hand on the index finger. So on this first joint of the index finger, just above that joint towards thumb is this point. See, on the first joint of the index finger, just above that joint towards thumb is this point. This point is called as LI3, large intestine meridian's third point. So over here, what we'll do with the help of the backside of a jimmy, we'll press this point properly for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, we'll apply a magnet on this point. For magnet therapy, we'll take buell magnets or tonification sedation magnet, which we call. So if you're not having this magnets and if you want to buy them, then I have made a basic acupressure kit in which all these magnets, jimmies and all these things which we use in acupressure therapy are included in that kit. I have also made a video on it. So if you want to check it, you can definitely check it out. I'll share the link in the description box. Do check it out. So on this point, we'll apply a tonification sedation magnet in such a way that the yellow side of the magnet will touch the skin and from the outside you can see the white side of the magnet. So that means we need to increase the energy of this point. So on this point, we'll apply one buell magnet properly like this. This point is bilateral. That means you need to treat it on both the hands. So apply this magnet on both the hands. You need to apply it for 8 to 10 hours and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the paper tape away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and you can use it for lifetime. So do this treatment daily, you will definitely find the results. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.